Replacing the vacuum pump filter on the HP Jet Fusion 5200 and 5600 3D processing stations. When prompted, follow the instructions on the printer's front panel to replace the vacuum pump filter. Remove the material cartridges from the processing station. Open the front cover. Unscrew the knob to release the filter. Rotate the container clockwise to release it. Remove the filter from the container. Clean the inside of the container with an explosion-protected vacuum cleaner. Insert the new filter between the container and the central tube. Insert the container in the processing station and rotate the container counterclockwise. Tighten the knob to lock the container and filter. Close the cover. Replace and connect the material cartridges.